How to fix Wi-Fi calling not working in Poco X8 Pro. First of all, restart device, press and hold volume up and power button same time. Now here you will see two options, power off or restart. And if you want to restart device, then this icon swipe down. After swipe down this icon, restart device. Now go back. After that, turn on or turn off flight mode. Open setting. Now in setting, scroll down, click on more connectivity options. Now here you will see aeroplane mode, and if you want to turn on flight mode, then turn on this button. After turning on this button, turn on flight mode from your phone. And if you want to turn off flight mode, then turn off this button. After turning off this button, turn off flight mode from your phone. By this button you can turn on or turn off flight mode from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update, open setting. Now in settings, scroll down, click on search bar, search update software, click on system updates and click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. Now go back. After that, factory data reset, open setting, click on about phone, scroll down, click on factory reset, click on erase all data. After click on erase all data, contact, photo and video, apps, accounts, backup, the SD card data will be clear or delete from your phone. This is how you can fix Wi-Fi calling not working in Poco X8 Pro. I hope so you like this video, and thanks for watching this video.